All right, so this video is going to show us how to do problems like 8, 9, and 10 in your, let's see, what is this called? Fitting linear and exponential models to data. Homework. It's in Unit 2. So there's instructions in the book, but it can be a little tricky until you've seen it done. But basically I'm just going to grab this, copy and paste this data in here because we want to find an equation, exponential equation that best fits the data. So there's probably ways to do that with by hand, but you know, the whole point of learning is Excel is that, you know, it saves us time from doing that. Okay, that didn't. Oh, I know why. Kind of have to like select. Actually, I want to put it down here because I'm going to retype it vertically. Let's see if this works. Paste. All right, so if it gives you trouble with that, then just right click on a single cell and paste. This was not giving me any trouble before. But I guess it's good because if I'm having trouble with it, then so are you guys. So it's got 1, 2, 3, there's 7 this way. I keep putting it up there, but I don't want it up there. So that's 5, 6, 7. Let me try that. What do you mean it's not the same size? Let me try just getting the, no, I can't just get the numbers. There we go. I don't know what I did differently there. I just right clicked on a cell and click paste. All right, so now I'm going to go up here and type them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 766, 846, 983, 1176, 1353, and 1510. If we're real fancy, we could have Excel grab these values for us and just stick them in here, but that's okay. All right, so now I want to highlight, well, you need at least 2 cells to put the answer, and I'm going to start typing logist, and then the known y's would be highlighting here. Those are your y values. And then known x's are here. Close your parentheses, and then you have to do Control Shift Enter to get the values. So let me just pop in another row here. This is X, this is Y, and then this is the A value, and this is the B value. And we can make those a little bit bigger. Bold. There we go. So as far as putting those answers in, hopefully these are right. Oh, I need to split my screen here so I can do both at the same time. All right, and then you don't need to be this wide. There we go. All right, what do these say they are? Okay, so I had that backwards. That's fine. We'll just make this A, B, and A. So yeah, that's what you're going to type in here. It doesn't say what to round to, but 2 decimals is usually fine. And their values are a little bit different. So let me, 652.395 and 1.15. Is there any more values? Okay, yeah, there are. That's fine though. Let me see. It doesn't like that 652 one. double check my numbers and make, oh, I found the mistake. I typed that one wrong. All right, so now I get 652.33. And they're both right. You know what? It's perfect that I had that mistake in here. It wasn't on purpose, I promise you. But it worked out because now you guys know what to look for when you're getting those wrong. All right, so for number 9, I'm going to type in with the split screen like this. It's real easy. Oh, see, I'm typing it wrong already. 637. I shouldn't try to talk and type. All right, so hopefully those are right. Let me just click on these little keys. You guys don't have the keys, of course, but it makes it really easy for me to check. So this one, the 11 seems off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 608, 638, 636. Now that one's strange. Oh, I see. This is different. Okay. So yeah, these values do match for the first one because it's not just putting A and B anymore. You have to put in the function AB to the X power. So you see that these numbers match up. Here's your A, here's your B. And use a linear regression to find the linear function that best fits the data. So for that, we want to select the data and then insert. We want to click the little scatter plot one. All right, so it makes a curve, of course. If we right click on any one of these data points, we can add a trend line, and then we want to change it. Okay, so it's linear, and display the equation on the chart, and we can see, well, it's really tiny, but let me see if I can increase the size. Okay, so I blew it up, and you guys can see that it matches. So for linear, it's a little bit different approach. You want to select the data, go to Insert, the scatter plot, and then right-click on any one of the points to add trend line. And when you do that, those options come up. They're hard to get back to once you lose them, but if we click Add Trend Line again, then they come up and you can display the equation, the R squared value in case that ever comes up, and change it between these different ones. All right, number 10. It's 2001 through 2006, but we want to just leave these as 1 through 6. We can think of it as years since. T is years since 2000, yeah. So 1 would mean 1 year after 2000. So 1 through 6 works just fine. I just need to pop these new numbers in carefully. Okay, and let me check that those values are right. Yeah, that works. And that's the last problem there. So questions 8, 9, and 10 can all be easily done with Excel. And just peek at the rest of these. Yeah, I think, is this one too? Calculate the regression line. All right, yeah, so same thing with these. I want to copy the data, and I'll just pop into a new sheet here. That's the easiest way to do it. Insert scatter plot, click on any point, add trend line, and then display the equation. And make it so you can actually see it. And I'll check the answers. Yeah, 1.6071 and 16.131. There you go. How long did that take? Like 10 seconds? When we had that regression line. Now there are manual ways to do it, but technology is much better at it than we are, so we'll just let technology handle it. Hope that helps.